today, another vlog test. As you can see, I'm on a road trip right now. It's the weekend. We are up for a little adventure, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna be shooting everything with this. This is the Xiaomi 15T Pro. And you guys know what's coming. This is a vlog test. This phone has 3 cameras on the back. There's a main 15 megapixel shooter that has OIS. The highlight is another 50 megapixel shooter that can do 5 times optical zoom. That's a better zoom than the Xiaomi 15T and the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro that came before this. There's also a third camera, a 12 megapixel wide on the rear and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So we are vlogging with the front-facing camera of the Xiaomi 15T Pro. This is 4K. And by the way, throughout this video, watch out for this label to know that the video that you're watching is being shot on the phone. Using the rear cameras of the 15T Pro right now, this is wide and 4K. But yeah, as you can see, we're out of town because the boyfriend has a duathlon. And I'm thinking that the cameras on this phone might be able to help in terms of shooting that because of the zoom. So let's see. Is still in the store, but I already found something I like, so now I'm in the car waiting for him. It's crazy though because people are coming in with like all their bikes, and we actually carried his bike here. It is 3:44 a.m. of the next day, and I'm at 38% battery, so it lasted me throughout the whole day yesterday, and that's because this phone has a 5500 milliamp hour battery. That usage was also mostly camera and Instagram. I'm also up way early because, as I told you, we're here for a race, and this is how early race people get up. So 4K 30 FPS wide, 1x, 2x, 5x, and you can zoom in up until, whoa, wait, it's still zooming. It's 11x, 12x, 13x, 14x, 15 times zoom. This is what that looks like. See the bikes, 15x on 4K, back to wide. It's 11:27 and I'm back at the hotel. Obviously the race start was way too early for me. I had to nap, I had to shower. But what I wanted to show you guys actually was how I'm on 28%. Not gonna lie, I know that this is one of the bigger Xiaomi phones. It is actually what they claim to be the biggest Xiaomi screen, but it's basically been a day and a half for me right now, and I'm impressed. And now we're shooting with a phone again. This is 4K wide, 1x, 2x, 5x, up until we saw this earlier, 15x. That is how it looks like, and then back to wide. Now this is my view. Let's see how that looks zoomed in outside. Oh wow, because of how well lit that is, quality looks even better at 15 times zoom. Back to 1x. Ooh, and also on photo mode it can zoom up until 100 times. That's crazy. Another thing with this phone is that these have Leica branded cameras, and I know you guys have seen this on previous Xiaomi phones. There's Leica Authentic and Leica Vibrant. I usually shoot with Leica Vibrant because I just like colors, and like I feel like it pops more. It's more colorful, whereas Leica Authentic is a little bit more moody. So I've obviously been shooting with Leica Vibrant, but for the rest of the day I'm now gonna switch to Leica Authentic. One last thing before I head out, I wanted to show you guys all the AI features on this phone. Obviously, there's a lot. There's like AI interpreter and AI subtitles. There's also AI writing, which helps you like draft or write stuff. But I wanted to check out the AI that I would normally use, aka the AI when it comes to editing photos. Let's see. Let's go to gallery, and for example, I like this photo of Bruce. So let's use this photo of Bruce. And then there's AI Beautify, which we're not gonna use right now, but it's an option. Let's go under AI tag so you can expand the photos. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing actually. Now I have an even wider photo of Bruce. We can erase things. Let's pick a different photo to try that on a little later. There's sky edit. What is that? Oh, you can edit out the sky. We'll try that later too. There's bokeh, and this is quite interesting. Did you see that? It works on pets too, I guess. So there are also different types of bokeh that you can use. That's really cool. And this is the original. This is the bokeh. And then there's cutout. Oh, I can move him. Oh, and change the background. Stop. Cute. This is gonna be perfect for, I don't know, Bruce's birthday card. This is so cute. I can't. I love it. Right. I wanted to test out the AI sky feature. Let's see. Oh. And we moved to... Oh, did you see how that changed the sky? We can make it nighttime. How does that work? Look at the difference. There's a moon. Aurora Borealis. Stop. Stop. That looks amazing. And you can, what is this toggle? Oh, it's how intense, or is it the opacity? Either way, it works out. Let's see if we can turn it to a nice sunset. Cotton candy clouds. That's so nice. That's cool. One last thing is the AI erase, of course. Let's see how this works. Remove people, remove reflection manually. Ooh, what if I want me gone? It's a selfie, so stop. I can delete me from this selfie. That's so funny. That is actually so clean. Look, it basically just took me out of the photo. That's cool. Walking and talking now, I'm actually back to the race area because it's been 6 hours and I'm thinking that's around the time they finish. I don't know how I'm gonna find my boyfriend though, because he does not have a phone on him. We'll see. Also, oh my gosh, like these races are crazy, intense. How do people like move for 6 hours? I would never do that.
Let me say that again. Next to Feliciano, you are a Titan.
Of course, this is a Leica powered phone, so we're not gonna miss portraits. Here are some examples. And now let's check out the low light performance of this phone. That's it for our camera vlog test with the Xiaomi 15T Pro. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know what else you'd want to see me try out with this phone. That's it for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time, friends.